If you've been keeping up with my grow your own food journey, you will know I was having a lot of problems with these chickpea plants that I started. Most of these problems came from the fact that I was trying to overexert myself on these plants as though they're not living beings. They had to put me in check, but once it hit about June, I had honestly mentally told myself that I was not going to get any chickpeas from these plants. They kept yellowing and then growing back and then yellowing again. I honestly did not know what was going on. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to keep taking care of them. I kept watering them. I kept fertilizing them. But in my brain, I'm like, I'm not getting no chickpeas out of this. Come to find out, my chickpeas actually started flowering. And then guess what I got, y'all? Just look at this. My chickpeas are flowering. That's the first sign of the fruit coming. Oh my gosh. I honestly was starting to give up on these. Like, look at this. I was like, I don't really think I'm going to get no fruit out of this. In this case, the fruit would be the beans, but there's a flower. Oh my gosh. Wow. I got a chickpea. It's only one, but this is a, oh my gosh. I did not think I was going to get anything from these plants. Like, there's another one. Oh my god.